Hey guys, Owen here from Maclin Ford, here to show you this ultra white 2019 Lexus NX 300. It is very well maintained with absolutely no accidents. This NX 300 base trim with a 2.0 liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine with an automatic transmission. It also comes in a full leather interior. It has leather seats, Bluetooth, intelligent key with push button start, power folding mirrors, reverse camera, adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and you have a center console that you can control everything with your screen just like a mouse. Moving to the rear of this Lexus, you have center cup holders, and you can fold down those rear seats for even more trunk space. Thank you very much for watching this video. Come on down to Maclin Ford to see more about this Lexus. Have a good day.